Welcome, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fennel seeds, those tiny aromatic wonders that have been making waves in the realm of holistic well-being. Picture this, a journey from seed to spice, unveiling the secrets of their production, delving into their nutritional treasure trove, and discovering how these tiny powerhouses can be your ally in combating various illnesses. So buckle up for a flavorful ride through the fields of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds, derived from the flowering fennel plant, Feniculum vulgare, are not just culinary delights, but also hold a special place in traditional medicine. Cultivated in regions with a Mediterranean climate, these seeds undergo a fascinating journey from the blooming fennel flowers to your spice rack. After the flowers bloom and produce seeds, they are carefully harvested and dried to preserve their aromatic and flavorful characteristics. The result? A fragrant and earthy spice that has been used for centuries in various cuisines around the globe. Now, let's talk numbers. Fennel seeds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and minerals. A mere tablespoon of these tiny wonders contains a negligible amount of calories, about 20 to be precise. However, the real magic lies in their nutrient density. Rich in vitamin C, potassium, manganese, and dietary fiber, fennel seeds contribute not only to the flavor of your dishes, but also to your overall well-being. So sprinkle away without the guilt. Fennel seeds are not just aromatic flavor enhancers, they are also packed with a multitude of health benefits. Let's explore these benefits in detail. Digestive aid. Fennel seeds are renowned for their carminative properties, which means they can help alleviate bloating and gas by relaxing the digestive tract muscles. The compounds in fennel seeds stimulate the production of digestive juices, facilitating the digestion process and offering relief from indigestion. Anti-inflammatory properties. The primary component in fennel seeds, anethole, has potent anti-inflammatory properties. This can help in reducing inflammation in the body, potentially aiding in the management of inflammatory conditions. Antioxidant-rich. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting the body from oxidative stress and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Respiratory health. Fennel seeds have expectorant properties that can assist in breaking down mucus and facilitating its expulsion. This makes them beneficial for respiratory health, potentially easing symptoms of coughs and congestion. Heart health. The potassium content in fennel seeds can contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, supporting overall cardiovascular health. Antimicrobial properties. Fennel seeds possess antimicrobial properties, potentially aiding in the prevention and management of infections. This can be beneficial for oral health and may extend to addressing skin conditions. Weight management. The fiber content in fennel seeds can contribute to a feeling of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management by controlling appetite. Menstrual relief. Fennel seeds have been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual cramps. Their ability to relax muscles may contribute to reduced discomfort during menstruation. Eye health. Fennel seeds contain vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Regular consumption may contribute to eye health. Detoxification. Fennel seeds have diuretic properties, promoting increased urine production and aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. Anti-cancer potential. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and phytochemicals in fennel seeds may have anti-cancer properties, although further research is needed to establish a conclusive link. Fennel seeds' nutritional and health benefits make them a valuable addition to your daily routine. So whether you're a culinary explorer or a wellness enthusiast, don't underestimate the power of these tiny, flavorful seeds. Sprinkle, savor, and embrace the holistic goodness of fennel seeds. Nature's gift for your well-being.